E-scooters have exploded in popularity in the last couple of years, so naturally people that have no experience of riding them are buying them for the first time. When you ride them confidently, e-scooters are very safe to ride. But if you've never ridden one before, you need to know these tips to avoid any mishaps. Tip 1, wear protection. You should treat riding an e-scooter the same as riding a bike, so wear protection if you know you'll be going at speed. Tip 2, turn zero start off. Zero start is a feature that affects when the motor kicks in as soon as you press the throttle. So naturally, if you have zero start turned on, you might accidentally press the throttle and go flying. Tip 3, go for a ride on your e-scooter before you turn it on. This is easily the safest way to get used to your e-scooter because you have full control of your speed and balance. Tip 4, lean back and bend your knees. You want to do this because this changes your center of gravity from the center to the back. This is easily the safest way to ride your e-scooter. E-scooters are powerful electric vehicles, so it's really important to limit your speed until you're used to it.